In a world that's ever evolving, fueled by the flow of people, goods, capital, and data, vast systems that shape every aspect of our lives, how we live, socialize, work, and learn. At Wavestore, we provide surveillance technology that doesn't tap into the fears, anxieties, and insecurities of everyday life, but instead creates a bridge to people's aspirations, desires, and visions of a future, no matter how complex it may seem. Rather than simply patching the problems we see today, we can scan the future to anticipate hurdles and proactively tackle the very obstacles that will arise tomorrow. Fast forwarding and rewinding through time to broadcast the right information to the right people at the right moment. An unparalleled foresight and willingness to make the first move that sets us apart. At Wavestore, we do more than meets the eye, building a VMS platform built for constant change that continues to give people the results they need so they thrive in a future we can't yet see.